In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of self-deploying a JNLP or Java Web Start application using CheerpJ. First, ensure you have access to the necessary source files for this demonstration. With the source files in hand, open them in a code editor like Visual Studio Code. Review the .jnlp file, an XML file containing essential information on how the application is embedded. Look for details like the embedded applet tag, the main class, height, resources, and the required jar files. To proceed, create a basic index.html page where you can deploy the applets akin to traditional applet deployments. Set up a HTTP server to host the files. For example, start a simple Python HTTP server from the source folder where the files are located. Update the index.html file to include the applet tag. Ensure to add necessary attributes such as the main class and archive parameters to link all the required jar files. For compatibility with Chrome, add the required CheerpJ scripts to the HTML file. Include the script source from the CheerpJ runtime and initialize CheerpJ in the script. This will ensure smooth functioning in the browser. Upon refreshing the web page, observe CheerpJ initializing and running the applet seamlessly in the browser. With the extension in place, verify that the application operates correctly. You have now successfully deployed your Java Web Start application as an applet running smoothly with CheerpJ's magic. Remember, the essential steps for self-deploying a JNLP application include understanding the channel file, identifying how the app is deployed, gathering necessary resources, and creating a basic HTML page with the applet tags. By adding CheerpJ scripts and initializing the runtime, your Java applications can effortlessly run within the browser environment.